Last week I talked to you about the end-of-line facility and how that was coming online, and they were moving all of the operations for the Model Y and the Cybertrucks across the highway over to that facility, and that was freeing up a lot of space and capability that they can repurpose inside the factory. Today, I would like to add on to that by saying that starting this morning, a new shift schedule has been implemented here at Giga Texas for production, and it affects both the Model Ys and the Cybertruck lines. And that change is originally, or at least up until today, they've been working Monday through Saturday doing production. But starting today, it is now Monday through Thursday, and the shift is going to run from 6 in the morning to 6 in the evening here at Giga Texas. Now, with this reduction in the number of days of production, you might think that that means that we're going to see less vehicles, but I was told that they're going to still be able to make the same number of vehicles, just in a more efficient way. In fact, that's part of the reason why they're making this change, is this allows them the ability to make the best use of the labor force that they currently have here at Giga Texas, and it also helps reduce some of the costs by having one less shift during the week. And another thing is that it gives the employees a 3-day weekend, which is something I think that they like. But in the midterm, this allows the end-of-line operations to fully move to the opposite side of the highway in that new end-of-line facility, and for them to get all of these processes underway and working optimally. Also, sometime in the near future, according to the boring company, we're supposed to have the boring tunnel finished and able to have the Cybertrucks drive through it. And once that comes online, that will affect to some degree a little of the operations, but it'll in the long term make things much more efficient, and they are greatly looking forward to that. And the last reason why they are bringing the lines down is this frees up some time for not only line maintenance but also line upgrades as we start looking towards the end of this year and new products that will be coming out of Giga Texas by the end of the year. So all in all, this is reasons why the changes are being made. I know that some people are going to ask, how long is this new schedule going to last? I don't know. My sense is it's going to last for a period of time, but probably not the rest of the year, but we shall see.